It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again.
Okay guys, so just some quick info on today's video. So the location is Shores Creek Aboriginal Place, which is in Yellowmundi Regional Park off Springwood Road at Yarramundi. To get there, if you're coming from the mountains, you want to head through the town of Winmalee, through Hawkesbury Heights, past Hawkesbury Heights Lookout and take the windy road down. At the bottom of the windy road, you'll see a turn-off for the Yellowmundi bike trails, and about 30 metres past that, there's another little hidden turn-off into a very small car park, and that's the turn-off you want to take to park your car to take the walk to the river. It is very hidden, so just be careful not to go past it. If you're coming from Richmond and Windsor Penrith way, you want to take Castlereagh Road and then take the turn-off to Springwood Road, and then go past Yarramundi Reserve and keep following the road as if you're going up into the mountains, up the windy road to Hawkesbury Heights, etc. It'll be on your left hand side, and like I said, it is a very well hidden little car park, so it's easily missed. From the car park, the walk's about 15 minutes to get to the river. It's a very easy walk, anyone of any age can do it. It takes you up past a shelter, up past 2 drop toilets, which are the only toilets on the location. The swimming spot itself is a great swimming spot, just if you want to go for a swim or just want to get your toes wet. It's a great place for a picnic as well. Just keep in mind that there are no bins at this location, so everything you take in, you'll have to bring out. And you do have to walk there, you can't drive there, you have to walk through a locked gate. And also just keep in mind that you're sharing this space with all the beautiful local wildlife. There's birds, fish, lizards, insects. So when you're there, just try not to disturb their environment too much. Alright guys, so apart from that, that's all I wanted to say for today's video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.